vocabulary word for today is ambiguous. Ambiguous. Now, what does ambiguous mean? It means inexplicable, in other words, impossible to explain. You can also define it as capable of being understood in two or more ways. So if something is ambiguous, that means that it's not very clear. It's hard to explain or impossible to explain, or it can be, again, understood in two or more ways. Now let's define this a little further. I always think it's a good idea to try to break down the word a little bit more because if you know how to do that, you'll know how to define even other words too. So you have amb, which means like on both sides, or you could say around. You have agiri, I think that's how you pronounce it, and that means to like just be in motion. And then the us, which means having the qualities of. So another way to look at the word ambiguous is having the qualities of being in motion on both sides. So you see how that relates to the definition. All right. So as I always say, read to prepare for the SAT verbal section. And also, anytime you come across a word, make sure you define it. Look it up. Find out what it means. Get a better command of the English language. And also subscribe to this channel too, where I will regularly put up a vocabulary word for you to learn. All right. Hopefully this helps.